Hi, I'm a woman in a cleaning advert, which means I'm incredibly clumsy, especially around red wine, pasta sauce, and white sheets. Whoops. But today, we're doing things differently. Meet Spruce. Refillable cleaning products that clean more than just your home. They clean the planet too. Here's how Spruce is different. You buy the bottle once and get concentrated refills delivered. Like all cleaning products, Spruce is 95% water. Unlike other cleaning products, Spruce doesn't make you pay for that water. Take the Eternity bottle, pour in the refill pack, and then fill the bottle up with water from your tap. That's right, just add water. Now you're ready to spruce. With Spruce's strip back range, you don't need 101 different single-use plastic cleaning products. Kitchen cleaner, bath cleaner, more bath cleaner, shower cleaner, toilet cleaner, bedroom cleaner, spare bedroom cleaner, cleaning product cleaner, all that plastic. And we all know where that's going. With Spruce, you don't need all this plastic. Just your Eternity bottle and these refills. And with all those bottles gone, you can free up a cupboard. Or, if you live in London, you can sublet it.
Hey, how about a little privacy?
Right now, your cleaning products are polluting your home with toxins and polluting the planet with single-use plastic. With Spruce, you reduce toxins, plastic, and your carbon footprint. This isn't just next generation cleaning. This is cleaning things up for the next generation. And all this talk isn't just your usual corporate greenwashing. No, this is the real deal. We're on a mission to clean up cleaning. Spruce is toxin-free. We only use safe ingredients and all natural essential oils. Our product smells so good, you'll find yourself spilling things on purpose. Any excuse to spruce. Keep your home clean and your conscience cleaner.